0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Casey from Totally Designs, and I came on camera to show you what I'm working on right now. I know a couple of months ago I talked to you all about making jewelry out of these Heishi beads that I bought, and if you don't know what those are, I'm going to go ahead and remind you. These are the Heishi beads. Now they do come in different stones that they call Heishis, but these are actually they're like rubber band clay surface. Anyway, I am here to show you what I've been working on. I'm going to finish this project off, but I'm also going to show you the other bracelets that I've made along with these. Now, the Heishi beads are, again, the clay beads, and they are like filler beads, but you can also make jewelry out of them. You can make beautiful earrings out of them, and so forth and so forth. So now, as you can see, I've already started this bracelet right here, so I'm just going to continue while I'm on camera. What I've been doing is just adding these onto the spiral wrap or the memory wire, which is going to create that spiral wrap bracelet. We all call it something different. Some people call it multiple layered bracelet, however you want to call it, but for me it's either spiral bracelet or memory wire. Now here you go. I'm just adding these on. It's really simple. You can do almost anything with these beads, so this is what I've done so far. So now what I'm doing is actually embellishing this for more of a, I want to say it could be a boho or a bohemian style look. So I'm just definitely using these spacer beads right here, but I am going to switch off a little bit right here. So I'm just going to add in like those right there, because I kind of like those. Those are really cute. So I'm going to add those spacers in right there. And I changed the trajectory of the bracelet just because I like for it to be different. And of course, if somebody else is wearing it, you don't want to be able to see that same pattern or style on another individual. Now that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, so now as you can see, I did add in these beads right here. Now I do have like other little small glass beads that I do need to get rid of, and this is a perfect project for me to do that in. All right, this is really easy to do. It's not hard at all. Basically, you just got to find your pattern. You can do this project in about 10 minutes. For me, it takes me a little bit longer because I'm always trying to determine pattern, and I'm always changing the pattern in the middle of the pattern, if that makes sense. All right. I hope that you guys have had a great Monday. Today was a little bit hectic for me, but I am back in front of the camera just to show you what it is I'm working on. And I am still preparing for my vending event coming up this Saturday, which I'm really excited about. Alrighty, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. I really like that that color. These make beautiful bracelets. And by the way, guys, this is only for this package of Heishi beads. You actually get 3. Let me just show you what it comes with, how it looks. So you're gonna get these 3 package, all 3, and it's gonna be, I believe these are $3.49. So you can basically make something low cost and make it high end. So what I'm doing is right now I'm actually taking something that is low end and making it high end. That's one of the things I love about jewelry, that you can take something that's not so pretty or not so something that doesn't stand out, I should say, and make it stand out just by adding your personal touch on it. And it's really about your personal touch, right? That's what it's all about. I get really engrossed with my products that I make because I love making jewelry. Like, this is one of my favorite things to do. Like, if I can just sit here and make jewelry all day, I would do nothing else. I would do nothing else but make jewelry all day, and probably journal, and of course, read my Bible and stuff like that. But as far as doing a job, this is the job for me. Like, I would come up with so much. Like, it amazes me when I do have a chance to sit here like for 8 hours to make jewelry. I make a lot. I really make a lot. Yeah. Now, guys, I know I was talking to you guys about making your own niche, whatever you want to, however you want to say it. Some people say tomato, some people say tomato, some people say potato, and some people say potato. So I say niche. Basically, everybody has something that they specialize in, right? There's something that you have that you specialize in, and somebody needs that. Like I was telling you guys, I do custom orders. I really do. And I love doing them. I love to be able to help the client create their own story, right? Because, jewelry is actually storytelling. It really is a part of how we tell our story. Whatever we wear, y'all, think about it from this aspect. Your clothes tell a story. Your shoes tell a story. Why do they tell a story? Because they are telling a story about who you are. They're telling a story about what you like or what you desire. They tell a story about what are your belief systems, okay? For example, you're not going to ever see me in anything skimpy, right? You're just not going to see me in anything skimpy or anything that is above the knee, right? Because that story for me is a story that I don't want to tell. Now, does that mean that somebody else that's telling that story is like, out of order or too skimpy or whatever? No, I'm not saying that at all. And we always want to keep everything in context, right? Everything has to be in context. And so what I'm just saying is that the things that we wear are telling people about who we are. Braids, if you think about French rolls or high buns, dreads, or locks, as they call them, they're telling a story. And so the same thing is with jewelry. It tells a story. Like when I wear blue jewelry, what is that blue jewelry saying? That blue jewelry is saying that blue is absolutely Kasa's favorite color. If Kasa dyes her hair, what is that saying? That's saying that she has this unique and vibrant personality, and that's just who she is, and she just wants to express herself. And much like storytelling, as we are making jewelry, we're telling a story too. And again, I believe I tell it from a storyteller's point of view. And so when I make jewelry, and I said all of that to say this, when I make jewelry for people, I'm not only telling my story, but I'm helping them craft their own. And that's why I love to make jewelry, because I get to decide what it looks like. I get to decide the shapes, the sizes, the colors, the rifts in it, all the different things I get to decide. And the story I tell usually will meet the person's story that matches the story I'm telling. And I know that was a whole lot of of what I said, but yes. So what am I saying to you all? Make your jewelry the way you want to make it. If you want to put really weird stuff together, then put it together. I mean, who am I to determine what's weird, right? Who am I to say that? Like, who are you to say that the things I make are weird or whatever? But the point is, somebody out there is going to connect to your jewelry. So if you're in a place where you feel like, oh, nobody's really looking at my jewelry, they're not buying, they're not da-da-da-da-da, and all the little things we say, you haven't met your avatar yet. You haven't met your audience yet. They're out there for you. And let me tell you, those that are your audiences, those that are your people, they are not going to bargain hunt. They're going to pay whatever you ask. Why? Because your story mirrors theirs. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do, well, I'm going to finish this out. It's not too much longer that I have to go. I'm just going to go ahead and finish that out. Hopefully you guys didn't mind me telling you guys a little bit of a story. All righty. So now you guys know what to do with those Heishi beads. If you have gotten any of those, now you know what to do with them. I also made some earrings with these as well. Okay. And yes, I'm doing this all the way up. I just have just a little bit more to go. It's not that much. So I'm going to take a little bit of time in the video. What type of videos do you guys want to see? I haven't gotten any feedback yet. You guys haven't told me any type of videos you guys want me to see. I know I still owe you guys that that video, that tutorial on the 4th of July jewelry, the painting part. I've done the rest of them. You guys have already seen my 4th of July collection. Now you have to see my 4th of July painted earrings. I have not done yet. I may try to sneak that in this week. If I do not, I will definitely do that after the festival on Saturday. I will do it then, because I'm going to be selling it online. Oh, the other thing, guys, is if you are not selling your jewelry, why not? If you're not sharing, or not sharing, but if you're not selling your crochet or your candles online, why not? Really, why not? Okay, I had to give my hands a little rest, y'all. My hands are a little bit tired. Look at this. This came out really, really beautiful. I think I'm just going to add this on there, and that's going to be the end of these. It's not too much more that I need to add on it. Okay. Alrighty. If you guys are interested in more exclusive videos and private videos or whatever else, let me know. And I am coming to the conclusion of the matter, y'all. I am done. I just have to add one more thing on here, because I always like to have an extra bead on there at the end, just because. I'm going to cut it. I'm done with that. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out just a little bit. I'm going to go cut that a little bit more, and I'm going to loop it. Alrighty, guys, I am done. Alright, these are the other ones that I made so far. These are the beautiful ones. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. You guys are fabulous. So here are some ideas to do, what to do with those Heishi beads. And there you are. And until the next video, happy beading.